Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm here with Bryan and his Audi S3. Bryan, you want to tell me a little bit about it? What's going on?
Yeah, so it's a 2018 Audi S3. I've owned it for about 2 weeks already. It's already full stage 2 minus an intercooler, i.e. 034 high pressure fuel pump in it. Currently IE doesn't make a full 85 tune, so it's on a E30 tune, but it's a IE downpipe, E30 intake. The last owner already had it stage 1 in both DSG and the ECU tune. He did do some rotor upgrades. I just put some yellow stuff brake pads on it the other day.
Okay.
But it has stainless steel brake lines, and I just did some interior weight savings, poor man's mod. Yeah, it's Aura blue. Only the S3s and the RS3s came in this color, so you can't get an A3 in this color.
Yeah, it looks really nice. How would you say you're liking it so far?
I'm loving it. I specifically set out to get a 2018 or higher. Technically, I thought 2019s only had them, but I wanted the 7-speed DSG in it.
Oh, okay.
I had dealt for like 5 years with the 6-speed DSG, and it's all right, but it doesn't handle much power. And I was just like, if I'm gonna get into a new car, I want to feel completely new. I don't want to still feel like I'm dragging my last transmission from my last generation of my car. So
okay.
I saw it specifically it had to be this year or higher. It had to be a 7-speed, but the 7-speed definitely makes it feel a lot more alive and fun. Just you're always in power more than I would say the 6-speed. The 6-speed, it just really rings it out, but you lose a lot of power.
Yeah, the 7-speed's nice. I have it in my MK8 Golf R.
Yeah.
All right. Interior, Audi interior, you know.
Simple.
It's nice. You got the sports seats and everything. Got the flat bottom wheel with the perforations. Oh, cool. You got the full digital display as well. That's nice.
So yeah, full digital dash on it. Whole
sunroof,
everything.
That's a nice car. Hey, we got no rear seats, so we got some maximum savings.
Right. 30.
By the way, guys, I did bring my Draggy with me, so we might do a little Draggy test in Mexico, of course.
Yeah, certainly.
Do you want to pop the hood and see what we got going on under there?
Yeah, so the owner spent some good money on it. This intake is about $1,000 or up, depending what website you're buying it from, but it's from the UK itself. It's E30. They're all custom carbon intakes.
Oh yeah, those are nice. They make them for my M2 and they're super expensive.
Yeah, it's paired with an APR inlet, so this is different colored due to that. So this is APR, but E30 only makes it from here downwards.
Oh,
so that's
gotcha,
all E30,
okay. That's
APR.
This is called a turbo inlet pipe, right?
Yeah, correct.
Okay.
And
then you still have the stock turbo right now, right?
Yeah, IS38 stock turbo, just upgraded high pressure fuel pump internals. I did put a flex fuel kit, but IE so behind on their development that I put it on for no reason because it's not even available. So
okay,
for people who have IE, I don't know, man. Go somewhere else. I've been with them for 5 years, so I can talk my talk. But
so real quick, so you have an intake, you have a downpipe. Is it catless or catted?
Catted, 200 cell.
Okay. Catted. So we have a catted downpipe, an intake, and then you're on an E30 IE stage 2 tune, right?
Yeah, high pressure.
And then you have a DSG tune as well.
Yeah, DSG tune as well.
Gotcha. And if you guys don't know, I have a MK8 Golf R, and it does use a different turbo. It uses a Continental turbo, I think, now.
Yeah, this is an IHI.
And that's the IS38 that they made on like the previous generation Golf R and this generation of S3. So we're gonna get this one out on the road and see how it runs. All right, guys, not that you really care, but a 6'5" person can fit in here fine. My head is a little close to the ceiling because of the sunroof, but other than that, it's pretty good.
Yeah, and then just got to do I'll take that off, the auto start and stop.
Yeah, the auto start stop.
Got to hold down I haven't done it on OBD11, but got to turn off the traction. It is already in dynamic, so it is already on where it would give you full power pretty much.
That's cool.
Just back it up.
You only have the downpipe, or do you have anything done with the actual exhaust from the cat back? Or from
last owner, he did do a resonator delete. So the resonator is gone, but it is on the stock muffler.
Okay. So just resonator delete.
Yeah, resonator delete. That's really what he did to the extent. So that's nice. It has a little bit of a little rumble, but nothing crazy. And I came from a straight 3-inch catless downpipe setup, straight pipe, so it's kind of nice to be a little bit quieter.
Yeah. And does it have a valve too?
It does. It is valved,
nice.
But since he did take the resonator, there's nothing connected to it. The only difference is that it will crackle in dynamic and it won't do it in comfort, but that's really about it.
Oh, gotcha. Okay.
Should we try doing a little dig right here?
Yeah, we can try a dig if you want. Yeah, I'm always down. So you're in manual mode? Oh, jeez.
It upshifted on us.
You're good. You don't have to slam on the brakes, you're good.
It's not even that, it's just the yellow stuff, so they bite so hard.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so it's an upgraded brake pad. So like if I barely give it, it feels like we're stopping, but I'm barely tapping on it.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you were like trying to like slow down super fast.
No, these things bite really hard. That's why I like it, because I am gonna make this car about like 550 wheel horsepower, so I need this thing to be able to stop when I'm going 100.
Yeah, no,
Plus,
that makes sense.
yeah.
You don't want to upgrade all that power and have no stopping
Exactly.
power.
I've done that before, and what you have is the brake pads overheat, they glaze up, and you literally have a runaway train where you will be stomping on your brakes and the car will just be hauling. So
Ooh, that's real dangerous.
you obviously felt this thing, it wants to stop when you want to stop. Crazy. Obviously it's a stock turbo, so it has all that punch down low, and as you get up, you know, it kind of fades out. The scary thing, I don't know about yours, but mine will shift all the way up to 7,500.
Oh yeah, no, mine doesn't shift that high.
Dude,
I feel like you'd be out of the power band if you shift that high, right?
Huh?
Wouldn't you be out of the power band if you shift that high?
No, yeah, you're gonna be completely out of the power band, but I've noticed though they've set the limiter like so much higher, so I could sometimes go up to 75. I don't try to, but on accidents it has gone up there, and it's quite funny.
I'm curious to see how it is if you just like leave it in like the drive mode and just like floor it and let the car like shift everything.
So drive is not that crazy. It is just like a regular granny, but sport though is actually pretty cool.
Yeah.
Sport.
Yeah, it shifts good.
We're on the bend.
No, you're good. No, it's not that sharp. But yeah, no, that's pretty good actually. It shifts at like 6,500, so it kind of knows where to shift.
Yeah, it knows where to shift. I actually like it because the last sports mode on the DQ250, the 6-speed, it's trash. That thing doesn't know when to shift to save your life. It will just bang rev limiter all day. This one actually seems to have kind of know what it's doing. We could try to drive here, see what it does. Yeah, everything. See, I stomp on it, and nothing really. And it'll shift like way before too.
Pulls pretty good. Yeah, that's not bad.
Yeah, but it's not horrible. I just wish it was the E85 like fully, because that's where you really see this thing wake up. The turbo wakes up, all of that, you know, comes alive.
That torque is nice.
Yeah. So yeah, just
I can notice. Pops. I notice like the power's like really strong, then like once it hits like 6,000 it starts getting a little bit softer, and then it goes to next gear and then starts pulling again.
That's what I like about the 7-speed versus the 6-speed, is that 7-speed keeps you in that power band. Okay.
All right guys, he's gonna do a draggy test. He's gonna do launch control. We're gonna see how it does. That launch control sounded good. Did like a bup, bup, bup. His front tires spun a little bit. Based on the way that looked, I'm just gonna take a wild guess. I'll say he did a 11.8 at 117. That'll be my guess. 11.8, 117. All right, here he comes. Let's see how he did.
At 110, the all-wheel drive system went crazy. I don't know if I had it on too long, so I'm thinking we could have done a 11.9. It stopped at like 12, but at 110 it literally went kaput on itself. It like kicked me out of power.
Oh,
so it was just like, and I was like, fucking A. I don't know if I should have left it in sports.
Okay, it did a 12.0, but it was invalid because the satellite was bad. Oh, that kind of sucks.
Yeah, that's
all right guys, well I hope you enjoyed that little review of this stage 2 Audi S3. Unfortunately, we couldn't get a good like quarter-mile run. It said 12.0, but it also said like low satellite and stuff, and it didn't have the trap speed. So
who knows? It might have been 11.9, you know, 12 on the dot, or even 11.8. But you know, we'll keep adding to it and possibly come back and see what it does, you know, as we keep making it quicker.
But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and I will see you in the next one.